Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. I have a new product right here. We want to do a little test on these products. Company name Philisn. They sent me these products to check them out. Kind of like these ones yours are samples. So we're gonna put them all of them to the test. First we have the leather conditioner. We have the tire shine. We have here the leather cleaner. The shampoo. Their ceramic coating. Few brushes, interior towel, exterior towel, and foam applicator. First we want to start with the interior. As you can see right here, this shiny leather means that it's dirty. The leather is not supposed to be shiny. It needs to be matte. I have one of the towels that they sent me on the package. This is probably more like the interior or the glass, but it's for the interior package. And also we have the soft brush. So this one you can use it pretty much on everything in the interior. It's really soft, but we want to test them out on this seat. Right here I have tape. We want to clean this area so you can see the difference. This is the cleaner. We want to use the brush. This cleaner is gonna be for the leather, so it foam up really well, as you can see. Once it's clean, wipe this down with the microfiber towel. Now right here we have the leather conditioner. We wanna use one of the applicators. This one, it was on the package as well. If you don't protect your leather, it's gonna start cracking, looking really old, dry. So you have to clean it and protect it. You can see the difference right here between that side that is dirty and this side that is clean. So the products are working well, as you can see. So even with protection, it looks different than that side. Right here for the tires and wheels, we have the same suds that you can use on the paint. We're gonna use this on a bucket. We have the tire shine. They send this brush for the wheels and this brush for the tires. We're gonna start with the suds. We're gonna put around 2 ounces on the bucket. That bucket is dedicated for wheels, so there is no problem on that. You have to dedicate your buckets, 2 for the wash and 1 for the wheels, so you don't get all the contamination from the wheels into your buckets for the paint. Around 2 ounces on the bucket. Now first we want to spray the wheel. I'm going to start with the tire. Then I'm going to grab my wash mitt to clean the face of the wheel. This wash mitt is dedicated to the wheels. Now for those small areas around here and on the lug nuts, we're going to use the brush. And I'm going to do the same thing with the wash mitt on the barrel now that we have the wheels out of the vehicle. When I'm done, I'm just going to rinse it off and get it dry and put the tire shine. Tire is done. We did the barrel already, so it looks really good. We're going to wait until it gets dry to apply the tire shine. Now we want to move into the paint so we can start washing the vehicle. Okay, now moving into the paint, you have to do the whole process. If you want to apply this ceramic coating, we want to put it to the test. You have to do the whole process. You have to do wash, then chemical decontamination, then clay bar, then polish. So when I use, to start with, when I put this on a bucket, you can use this on a foam cannon as well, or foam sprayer. We're just gonna use the 2 bucket method. We're gonna work on this panel just for the video. This ceramic coating is gonna last up to 12 months. It depends on the way you treat and take care of the paint, but we want to do the application only on this episode, and later on when this vehicle came back for a maintenance wash, we're gonna see if this ceramic coating is still in the paint. I already have the shampoo in the bucket. We wanna wash only that panel for the purpose of the video, and then we're gonna do the whole process. Now we wanna use chemical decontamination. We want to let it sit for a couple of minutes and then rinse it off. It's going to start turning purple to remove the iron embedded into the paint. I don't know if you can catch that on camera, but everything is turning purple. There is a lot of iron in the paint. You can see it right there. Now I'm just going to rinse it off. I have my clay loop here, clay bar. A lot of contamination. I'm going to fold it to a new part of the clay bar and do it again. This paint is really rough. Now I'm gonna wash it again, rinse it off, dry, and then move into the polish. The paint is in really bad condition. It has a lot of scratches. So in order for the ceramic to really stack on the paint, we're gonna do one step. Let's see how it looks. And just by doing one step, we'll have the paint back. You can see the difference between here. So many scratches, probably. Hopefully you can see it. Paint looks really bad right here in the door. And on this area, it looks a lot better just with one step. So when I finish this area right here, and probably want to do one more just to get everything ready for the ceramic coating. Okay, the paint is ready. Hopefully you can see right here on the door. We have a lot of score marks, a lot of scratches, and right here on the fender, paint is just ready. Okay, once I did the compound, I used eraser to remove all the oils from the compound. Now it's ready to receive the ceramic coating. This is the specialized ceramic coating. Like I said before, It can last up to 12 months. It depends on the way you treat your car after the ceramic coating. You have to apply it panel by panel and use a microfiber applicator or foam pad. Apply it on one panel, wait a couple of minutes, let it flush, and then level it up with a microfiber towel. Well, I'll use only that. I don't know if you can see this one, but it doesn't change color. Some of ceramic coatings, they change color. This is more like a spray coating. This is probably not a true ceramic, but I think it's ready. It's ready to level it up. The bottle doesn't say anything about curing time, but most of the ceramics you have to wait at least 24 hours to let it cure, and up to 7 days without washing the car, without putting any soap or any chemicals on the paint. So you're gonna let the product cure, and after, I would say, 2 weeks, you can wash the car again. With this ceramic coating, it says right here in the instructions that you're gonna reduce, or probably you're not gonna have a water spot on the paint. It's gonna be easier to clean, it's gonna protect the paint, and it's gonna last up to 12 months. So we're gonna see that probably in like a month. We're gonna check this vehicle. Right now I'm not gonna do the whole vehicle. I'm just gonna do probably 3-4 more panels on the same process: wash, clay, decontamination, polish, and ceramic coating, just to see the reaction, because this vehicle is not here for this. This vehicle is here for another thing. But I wanted to do this test with these products. Now everything is good on it. I'm gonna move probably into the hood and the doors. In like a month or 2 months, we're gonna see how the water reacts on these panels with this ceramic coating. Hopefully you can see the difference right there, how shiny it looks. It's really shiny, super soft, and you can see the paint right here on the hood. Has a lot of scratches, really dirty. So, and just to finish, we have the tire ready. We have to put some tire shine on the applicator. And there you have it. That's the end result. So link is gonna be in the description for these products, and I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.